2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3. Let's break that down. Yeah. So my first move, I just call them like Mambo taps. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You wanna pivot off that left foot. This is something I'm working on myself. I think maybe in the video I did it back here. Ideally, this is what I'm cleaning. You wanna pivot off that left foot so you can really see that right foot, yeah? In terms of clarity. That's the technique. You gotta drill that shit, right? So I'm here, 8. I go 1, 2, 3. Let me catch my breath so I don't sound so out of breath like I feel like I have been. So I'm here on 7. I pivot 8. I go 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hook my left foot on 5. I'm gonna turn 7. Keep that weight on that left. I'm gonna just flare out my right on 1. Yeah, that's the first part. So let's do it this way. I go 7, twist off that left foot, 8, so you can see the angle. I go 1 on the heel, 2 tap back, 3 step forward, hook the left on 5, turn 7, keep the weight on the left, flare out 1. Yeah, so that's bar number 1. Bar number 2, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna step back 2, flare out 3, step forward 4, kick 5. And when you kick, bro, something I'm cleaning, or something I think I cleaned by now, hopefully, we'll see on Saturday. When I go 1, 2, 3, 4, when you kick, don't just kick here. I want to see think of it like 5 and. Like I want you to kick, but bring the leg back up. So you can really be a 5, right? It's like I'm really kicking. So I'm here, 5 and, you can think about it. Step 6, slide the left 7, drop on the left 1. And you want to bevel that knee in. Ha, yeah? So that's the second bar, so let's do it this way. So coming from that turn, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick 5 in, 6, 7, drop 1. Now for the last bar, no, actually the third bar. There's still more, just 2 more. So 1, 4 more. Oh shit. Anyways, we're here on 1. I'm gonna hold my 2, so you could kind of think of this as a pose, and you could really drop onto that left knee. You could go 3 and 4. Not you could go, you need to go, yeah? So I'm here 1, 3 and 4, so just a kickball change. Something to keep in mind for the rest of this third bar, your weight is literally just on your left, yeah? Your right is like a placeholder. So I'm here 3 and 4, my weight's back on the left. I'm gonna marry toe out 5, marry toe in 6. So 5, 6. Try to pivot off that left foot, right? 5, 6. This is gonna help for that next move by pivoting, because then I'm gonna be pivoted here. My hip is open. Then I'm gonna tap forward 7, 8. And notice the body. When I tap forward, my body's back. When I tap back, my body's forward. So like counterbalance. Now from here, I'm gonna do a little whip action, yeah? So I'm just gonna break down these 2 bars because they really go hand in hand. So I'm gonna go and 1 and 3. It's kind of like a shuffle but back. And 1 and 3. Then I'm gonna do what I call fire feet. So kick the left back and 5 on the heel, and 6 and 7 and 8. And if you can't do 4, just give me 2 and 5 and 7. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So step 1, chuck, basic, back on timing. Yeah? So let's take it from here. We just finished. Whoom. We're here on 6, 7, 1. We hold 2. I go 3 and 4. Marry toe, pivoting. 7, 8. My weight's still on the left. I bring it back. And 1. And 3. I bring it back, but now just flare out the heel for and 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. 1, 2. If you just want to give me 2 from here, I'm gonna go and 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3. Now for the last part, we're gonna do the little mambo swirl. So we're here. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I'm gonna step together 5 while opening up those mambo legs, right? Sorry for the spit. So I'm gonna go 5, 7, 1. Okay? So I think the cleanest look here is if you go 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? 5, 6, 7, 1. That'd be the cleanest because you're opening and closing 3 times and flaring out. So there's this contrast in your movement, right? I don't think I'm doing that. I think I'm just taking my time. Really base it off the feel. I feel like now since I've been dancing and like making my own stuff for a while, there's like this perfectionist in us. I'm assuming if you watch my videos, you're kind of like me, where we want to get every detail right. Bro, like for something like this, just dance, right? So I don't know how many swirls you want to do, but I'm gonna just go 5, 7, 1. And on that 1, instead of opening the leg, I'm gonna just flare out for a palladium drop while combing myself, yeah? So remember, flapping down, 5, across the face, 1. Then I'm gonna chuck 2, 3. But actually no, for this one, 1. Now, instead of a chuck, similar to my other move, I think it was the freeze choreo, I want you to do a body roll back. So it's the same movement, 3. So I'm not gonna chuck back my 2, instead I'm gonna hold it back, really sink into that third weight and get that body roll, yeah? So remember, I kind of start off with the head kind of, like a little toe, goes into my chest, goes into my ab, my pelvis, I sink the hip back 3. Now all my weight's on that right leg. All you gotta do is like slide 5 step, slide 7 step, yeah? So I'm here, 1, 3. Now you can do a little goodbye with the left. I put my right here. I feel like this looks very mambo. I kind of want a more chill, like, hey, right? So let me do it from here. We were here. 1, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. And 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2. So the swirl. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. All right, last one with counts. I go 8, 1, 2, 3. So the arms, 8, 1, 2, 3. Now as I hook, I just extend my left. 5, bring them back. 7. On 8, I kind of like cross my arms, look up. 8, 1. Yeah, so it's up. 1. All right, so this gets kind of tricky here. So I got this from hip hop, right? So you're gonna go. My left is gonna do a little circle. To the chin, right? So it's going out, in and around. So if I do it this way, it's going out and up, yeah? My left is gonna do the counter of that. So if this is going out, this one's gonna go in. So, right? So when I'm here, 1, it starts. 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is doing a little, I always forget this. I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right now. But ideally, you're doing a little ear comb. So I have my index and my middle finger glued together, right? So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Synchronize that with the kick. When I'm stepping out my 6, I cross my hands so they're by my shoulders. Try not to give me a half-ass cross. Hands literally by the shoulders, like I'm touching them. And I slide out 7, kind of at an angle, and I drop 1. Beveling that right knee. Right arm goes in front, left arm goes by my thigh. Then I'm gonna shoot out, so when I kick is in opposition to my hand, I go 3 and 4. My right arm is out. You can really use this hand to see if you're really down. Meaning, if you bend down and you're down here, where your hand is by your ankle, you're pretty low. So you have a nice level change right there. Then you're gonna go into a maritoe, 4, 5. I kind of go with it, so glue my elbows. Let me go back here. I glue my elbows in, and then I go 4, 5. Yeah? Then I shoot out kind of in opposition. So the first part is opposite, where my left arm is out, my right leg is out, body back. But then now my right leg is back and my right hand is out. Yeah? And this is gonna act like I'm grabbing a car. My left arm is by like my Mambo frame, right? Then from here, when I go and 1, it's like I'm going back. So with the thumb, hey, right? So I'm here, and 1, and 3. Now from here, you could do 2 options. I've seen it done. So for fire feet, typically, you could go and 5, and 6, and 7. So you could just raise the arms. You could bring them to your chest, raise them up. Or I think the last one I've seen is this, where I think I did this one. So you go and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and you stop right at the 8, right? So it's gonna go by the waist up behind the head. So if I do it this way, behind the head, going forward, and if you do this, try to keep your elbows as forward as you can. So you're really inside your frame and not so like out here, right? Remember, by frame, keeping your frame, just keep your elbows close to your body. That's typically what we tend to mean, right? So and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. I always forget that and 8. But anyways, I'm gonna go 1. You wanna look at that right finger, 1, chuck it 2, look at it, 3. And like I explained, the Mambo with the comb and the little goodbye, 7, 1. Let's try that to me. So here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 1. I went too fast. 5. Here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Cake ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hey, hold it. And 5, and 7. 1, little faster. 5. And yo, I got good sleep today. I didn't sleep deprive myself today. I feel good. It's crazy what good sleep can do to you, right? 1, 5, 6, 7. 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1. There's too many. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3. 8, 5, and 6, and 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 3, and 5, and 7. Oh, 1. Little faster. 5. Oh, 1. I just feel like turning. 5, 6, 7, 1. I put on my outfit just 6, 7, 1. 6, 7. I feel like this is slower. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 5, 7. 1. This way. I went too fast. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 5, and 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 7, 1. Last one. 5. Make sure to take a breather before I record the next one. So I was like, 6, 7. 1, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 1. Let's go. 6 last one. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. Right, you know. Comment down below what you need me to break down. Yo, this is super helpful if you comment and just let me know what wasn't explained well. It's super helpful for me. So I could just rethink it through. You could tell me exactly what you didn't understand and I don't mind making another video on it, right? Part of the things how we work together is that you tell me what you want and I can make it, right? And if I sucked at it the first time, well, that's good. I iterate and I make it better. So that way we both grow together. I ran out of breath saying that. But besides that, thank you for watching and I'll see you later, yeah? Bye.